Ever pondered on the profound power belief holds in the grand scheme of success? Ponder no more. In the classic self-help book, The Magic of Believing by Claude Bristol, it is emphasized how crucial belief is to achieving success. Today, we delve into the key takeaways from this timeless piece, how to apply them in life and business, and the transformative effects they hold. Firstly, we have positive visualization. Visualize your goals as if they're already accomplished. Imagine yourself triumphing in your endeavors and truly believe in your ability to make it happen. This is not just daydreaming, it's a potent tool to fuel your drive and determination. Next up, we have affirmations. These are positive statements that you repeat to yourself, serving to reprogram your subconscious mind and reinforce your belief in your capabilities. They serve as a mental pep talk, boosting your morale and resolve. Thirdly, we have persistence. Cultivate a mindset that embraces resilience in the face of obstacles. Believe that any setbacks are temporary, and that you possess the ability to overcome any challenges thrown your way. Our fourth takeaway is focus. Channel your thoughts and energy towards your goals. Avoid the negativity and distractions that can hinder your progress. Remember, a laser-focused mind is a powerful tool in the journey towards success. Our fifth principle is action. Consistent action towards your goals is vital. Belief alone is not enough. You must also put in the effort and take concrete steps towards achieving what you desire. Remember, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Lastly, we have self-confidence. Build your confidence by acknowledging your strengths and past successes. Believe in yourself and your ability to accomplish great things. Now, you may wonder, how can these principles apply to your life and business? In personal development, use belief and visualization techniques to improve your self-confidence, overcome limiting beliefs, and achieve personal goals. In your career, apply the power of belief to advance by setting ambitious goals, visualizing success, and taking action to make your aspirations a reality. And in entrepreneurship, use belief and positive thinking to overcome challenges and setbacks. Visualize the success of your business, stay focused on your goals, and persist in the face of adversity. To effectively utilize these principles, make them a part of your daily routine. Regularly practice positive visualization and affirmations, maintain a mindset of persistence and self-confidence, and take consistent action towards your goals. Over time, you'll see the magic of believing in yourself and your abilities unfold. The power is in your hands, and the time to start is now. Believe in the magic within you, and watch as you unlock doors to success you never knew existed.